Right, welcome to the channel. We're back at the bungalow briefly. We've got a little, we bought a little gadget. It's a drywall lifter. It's a little machine that helps us put the boards up to the ceiling. Hopefully it'll help us out a little bit because there's only two of us on the job at the moment. So we're going to unbox this drywall lifter, build it up, make it up. We might put one sheet up to show you how it works. Never used one before, but what the plan is to use this on the ceiling, the lounge here, the easy ceiling. I think we're going to use it on the vaulted ceiling next door if we can at an angle, get us out of trouble I think, and a bit higher, but we can try and jack it up somehow. And then we're going to sell it on, use it for what we want and sell it on. That's the plan anyway. So let's set up the camera. I'll show you me unboxing it. I think we've got to bolt it together. It's quite heavy. I've seen some videos on it already. I think it's a good little bit of kit. We'll have a little look. I'll show you me unboxing it. We'll bolt it together. We might even put a couple of sheets up, see how we get on. Right, let's get this box undone. Just cut it down. Like that a long way, oh, looks a nice bit of kit. It's pretty well made. We went for red instructions. I think that's some sort of winch thing, right? Let's take it out. These are the legs. Right, I'll do how that works. Shit. Might have to read instructions on this. It looks solid. The arms will come out to support the ball. It's like balls. Should be two of those. That's the arm that the plasterboard sits on. Looks a good bit good so far. Well made, isn't it? That's the other arm. Comes out. This is the winch piece. I think this is only one lump. Oh yes. Right. We're going to read the instructions, build it up, and then we'll come back to you and put a board up, I think. We're going to have a quick flick through the instructions, build it up, and then we'll get back to you. We'll see you in a bit. Right, we've made that up, didn't take long. The instructions were a bit naff, but fiddle about it, all sort of press it together. Once you get your tripod undone, actually quite a good bit of kit, let me show you. So that's what we've got. Not bad for the money. So basically you lift your board onto here. Well, there's two of us anyway, but normally if you're on your own, if you board onto there, sit this up, that locks into place, you wind it up at your leisure. And these are adjustable with different size boards, and what happens is you click that there to lock it on, and then you wind it up and down with that. So we're going to take that off like that, we're going to tip that like that, and we're going to lift the board and have a little go. I think you could do it on your own, but not this heat, I'm not. Right, let's get our first sheet up. You've got to spin this over for it.
Just go flat on it. Like that.
Should hook on there. Even about.
Yeah. Well, I'm not over. How far are you over?
Yeah,
I'm my way. I'm
Go
my way.
your side.
Yeah, I'm
Do
on.
it.
Yeah, I'm on.
Hooked on. Okay, gently lift it back this way. It feels a bit precarious, but I think it's pretty good. Put that on, that's done.
Well, it's just balancing, isn't it? So.
Yeah, it just balances, so really you should wear your hard hat. Ow, my collar point. Right. Yeah, it's in the middle. It's good, isn't it? Right, wind up.
I'll wind it up. Good dump guard, you want to slide a bit more, but once you push it against the ceiling, you're alright.
Once it gets to the ceiling, that's when it steadies up. Good. Oh, these Chinese know what they do.
Just come smash it down your head.
What's this thing for then?
I'll let go of it now, so.
Pretty strong cable, pretty strong mechanism. That shouldn't. It takes a while. Oh, doesn't it?
Just go slowly, steady.
Yeah. When we get near, we'll maneuver it to position, we'll work out where we want our first board, yeah? Oh, I'm nearly there.
Right, towards the wall. Flat against the wall.
We'll go towards the wall, yeah? Is that where our first board's going, towards the wall?
Fuck you hell. Oh shit.
Oh, what's the matter?
This is dodgy, isn't it?
No, it's alright. So don't put your fingers in. Is that it?
Right towards the wall.
No, I'm just thinking. Really, what
Why
this
is it all on
mechanism...
the piss? It looks like it's going to fall in a second.
It's just unbalanced slightly, isn't it? Really, this wants to come round.
Where are you going?
Well, you've got the mechanism there, haven't you, silly sod? I didn't know you wanted it there.
It's got to go right against the wall, wouldn't it?
Well, you didn't say that, did you?
It doesn't reach the wall if the mechanism's there.
Well, the walls, it does. Right. Where's the first ball going? I mean, the idea is you get close and then... Oh, these bits we should have pulled down, shouldn't we? Get a ladder and do that, can't we? We've got to get a ladder, don't screw it up. What do you reckon? It's not good. You're right, aren't you, about it?
Yeah, I don't know. It must change spacing at some point.
You got your measurements right, because yeah, it's got to be cut down. Hasn't it? Got to cut it down, haven't we?
Shouldn't have to.
Because our bungalow might have a different, because it's imperial, isn't it? To the centre.
Centres, yeah.
The centre there, what you got? Put it tight.
245.
Yeah, what are the balls?
2.4. Oh, it is. It's imperial. 2440.
Yeah, it's old, that's imperial.
What's that? 6 foot. Whatever.
Yeah. Balls are metric now, aren't they? This is all like imperial. Right, we've got to cut this ball down slightly because the house is old bungalow, so this is imperial. Ball's metric. Distance between these is imperial in inches. So what we do, we'll lower it down. So to unlock it, you wind it up a bit, take the strain, like so, pull the lever like so. Bring it down slowly. Whee! Mind your head. Obviously this should be running the other way. There you go. I'm going to tuck that down. We should be able to do that while it's there, Jules, shouldn't we? Or should we take it off and do it?
Can't really do it on there, can we?
So he's just cutting that ball up to fit. While we wait, I've just spun this round now, so it's easy with a handle here at the front. The tripod's like that now, so it can go nice and tight to the wall. The handle's here at the front now, because this can just spin anywhere you want. Like so.
Hit the wall, break it.
Probably hitting the wall and breaking it. Balls will be a bit short, so we bring these arms in to the next level, I think. Let's spin it over, I'm not going to like I'll try and get in the middle.
You on your arm?
Well, yeah, I'll move the arms back, there's no hole.
Oh, they just...
Yeah, stay there a minute.
To be honest, that's fine, isn't it?
Right, lift up. You can put the walls in. I'll put the catch on. Is that on? That's
Yeah.
on. That's it. Right, we've got this joist here. So, it's bad as better then. Once you start using it more, you get more confidence in it. I think should be easy. I'm getting here. With these, they're pulled down, aren't they? Right, so. Right.
Slightly to your left.
To the left?
Yeah.
Oh, it's the left, isn't it? Mark dependent then. That's our first board up. We're just going to mark the joist now, which we forgot to do. Mark the joist here. Just going to mark the joists, and then we're going to put some screws in. Right, that's it. The first board's up. We'll put a few screws in there now. Have a look. And we've got a chalk line now, so we're going to take the machine out of the way, leave wind this down, and put some chalk lines in. Do the rest of the screws. Lovely bit of kit, that. I like it. There's no rushing around or panicking with this. You can take your time, do it on your own. Absolutely laughing. It takes a little bit longer, but you can get a nice, neat, tidy job, nice and square. It's lovely. I'm well pleased with it. Back home now. Thank you for watching that video. It cut short because George and I weren't that well, so we just sort of shot round there. We were feeling a bit under the weather, the pair of us. So we shot round because we had this new toy turn up, the plasterboard lifting machine. Not lifting. Is it a machine? Some sort of workhorse. The plasterboard lifter anyway. We shot round next, we had that turn up. We want to give that a little go. You have to take your time with it because when we first set it up, it felt a little bit dodgy. We've never used one before, but pretty well made, pretty solid. I'm sure when we did the other boards, it'd be a lot quicker. The great thing is that when you put the board up, you can just sit in there nice and solid, put it in the position perfectly where you want. No struggling, bend, no shouting, screaming at each other. Even if you use props, it can be a pain in the backside. We wind it up nice and slow, get it in a nice, lovely position. We only did the one board for now because, as I said, we wasn't feeling too great. Plan is next, we can measure up the other bits and stagger them and do it nice and slow. And when we go to do the vaulted ceiling, we're going to try and utilise that machine as well, lift him up at an angle. We'll might have tried to raise off the floor a bit somehow. We'll work something out. Anyway, thank you for watching that video. I'll come back when the ceiling's finished, and then we start doing the vaulted ceiling. We'll see how we got on with that. That'll be the next one, I think. And then we've got to, we're waiting for my son in America to design the kitchen, because the kitchen's going to have an island, and we're going to have a hob in the middle of an island with a built-in extractor that goes through the floor. So we want details on that before we continue. We've got a bit of dot and dabbing to do on the walls as well. Then we're going to get the electrician in. Once the kitchen's fully designed, going to get the electrician back in so he can work out where he's going to put all his sockets. The radiator's already done, I think. So yeah, electrician's got to come back to work out where he's going to put all his electric sockets and electrics for the oven and stuff like that. I think it's going to be an electric oven. So once we get the kitchen fully designed, we've got me son's in America at the moment, different hours, he's really busy at the moment. I'm waiting for him to design that fully. And we've got a few designs sent over, but we're waiting for him to do a full decision on them. They've both got to get their heads together and make a decision on the kitchen. Then we're going to get an electrician to finish off the electrics, then we can do dot and dabbing, then we get it fully plastered out. Got to get the floor raised up, but we can't get the floor raised up until we decide what ducting we need, where the extractor's going to hop. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Still not 100%, still feeling a bit groggy, so I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Ta-da.